Hi, I'm Sheetal Agarwal, a medical clown. I have an MPhil in social anthropology and used to be a lecturer of sociology. But in 2016, I was introduced to medical clowning, which is a therapy wherein we dress up as clowns and visit hospital spaces to spread cheer. The idea is that whenever we are suffering physically, there is a lot that is happening mentally, which is completely neglected. So we try and cater to that neglected aspect. I'm here today to talk and to do activities around mental well-being because if our mental health is not right or it's suffering, then obviously everything that we are doing is also suffering. It won't be perfect or it won't be up to the mark. And since the pandemic, mental health has taken a toll. And now, thankfully, we've started talking about it. So, what I'm going to do in the workshop is spread awareness around what mental health is, why should we take care of it, and how to take care of it. And my focus would be on laughter and mental health, that how laughter helps and how can we heal ourselves and how do we love ourselves better. This workshop will be beneficial for any kind of students, and especially when we talk about postgraduate students. There is a lot of stress, and it's important to identify the stressors and work towards acknowledging it and also working on finding ways wherein they don't remain stressors. This will obviously help in team building in the competitive world that we live in, and also how to work together. I mean, obviously individually हम लोग बहुत कुछ कर सकते हैं, but how to work together is something that is required. If our mental health is not working well, we won't be able to work with others well.